Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Orange County Fairgrounds, and we're at the setup for Crusin for a Cure, which is tomorrow, 6 a.m. to 4:30. Sharon and I will be here bright and early, actually dark and early, because it'll be dark by the time we get here. We've basically got our stuff set up. We got the 57 covered up there, as you can see back there, but no displays out because the weather is calling for rain between 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning to about 6 a.m. But it's supposed to clear up. We got about 40% chance, so we're not putting up the displays. So we'll have a little bit of work for us when we get here in the morning. But it's an amazing show. Over 3,000 cars at this show. It's the largest one-day car show in the United States. All kinds of stuff here. All kinds of muscle cars, your classic cars, and just stuff you just never see anywhere else. Just some oddball stuff too show up here. So be sure to come on by our booth and say hello. We're on Lucas Road, number 203, and we'll be here all day. We'll have some goodies for you, and if it does sun comes out, you can get out of the sun and get in some shade here. So come and check it out. We'll be here tomorrow, 6 a.m. to 4:30. It's a long day for us, but it's a great day. We're right on the cruise route, so we just sit here and watch the cars go by. You can kind of see where the cones have lined out some stuff there. So we'll be ready to go. Again, this is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you the Orange County Fairgrounds, where we're going to have Crusin for a Cure, the 20th version, or 20th anniversary of that. So be sure to come by and say hi. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.